Chiefin', but I ain't from Kansas City. This shit hit like a jab when you hit it. Ooh, 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 ooh. I just hop right out the coupe.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Kevin, and I'm back with another video, man. And today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to get the custom home screens, man. I've been seeing they've been going crazy on Twitter. I've been seeing a lot of people making videos, right? But they wasn't showing every single thing that I had a problem struggling with. So it took me maybe hours to figure out how to do, but now I got it and I'm gonna give y'all the sauce, man. But before we get into the video, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because I will keep dropping more videos like this, man. So make sure y'all do it. But the first step of this video, man, is to organize your apps by color. As you can see, before I start the screen recording, all of my apps are organized by color. So I'm about to start the screen recording. We're about to go crazy, y'all. Let's get right. 3, 2, 1. Screen recording has started. So as you can see on the screen, man, I have a blue, black, green, yellow, and a red screen. And all of my apps are color coordinated. It's gonna make everything look way better. I'm telling y'all now, if you don't color coordinate it, then it's not gonna look right 100%. I'm sorry for the glare in the background, man. But literally just color coordinate the apps and it's gonna look right. And then that's literally all it is for step one. It is super simple once you understand what you're doing, and then you can get crazy with your customization and how it was. But yeah, man, that's literally all you do for the first part. So the next part that you have to do is find your pictures that match the colors of the apps that you have. So as you can see, I literally have all of mine color coordinated. I found a good background, and the background I wanted to use was a cyberpunk iPhone wallpaper, because the cyberpunk pictures just give it a vibe. Like, it gives it like a futuristic vibe. So that's what I was trying to go for with my theme. Really, it was kind of a mixed theme, but just for video purposes, I went with the cyberpunk, you feel me? Because that wallpaper just looks so fire to me. So of course you gotta save the photo. I got every photo saved. You save by holding the picture, add the photos. Y'all know that. If you got an iPhone, you know. So obviously I ain't even gonna go into all that. Then I found another picture. Playboy Cartier is my favorite artist, and of course, like the whole lot of red. You know, he got a little thing going on. So I chose him for my red tabs in my pictures. Then I chose this neon antisocial club sign for my blue. All of these pictures are saved, by the way. I chose Trippy Red for the green tab. And then also Lil Yachty. I had chose this Lil Yachty picture. I chose a Lil Yachty picture right here, as y'all can see. I chose this picture for my yellow tab. I don't really have that much yellow tab, but I'm gonna show y'all how to finesse if you don't got a lot of apps of color. And then I chose the Hypebeast picture for my main screen. So then the next step, which I already did as well, is you go to your photos and then add the photo that you have selected. You gotta add it to an album. I'll add this to another album. I'll name it Black Juice 2. For every single photo, you have to add a different color. So you have to have it in a different, for every picture, it has to be in a separate album. So literally, if it was yellow, then you need to name an album Yellow Yachty or Red Cardi. It has to, every single picture has to be in a different album, or it's not gonna work 100%. So then after you add all of your photos to an album, this is where it gets super easy. You feel me? You open Widgetsmith. You can either do it that way, or you can just hold on the home screen and add a widget. But now, I need 2 large widgets. You can go small, medium, or large. It depends on how many apps you got on your screen. But we're gonna go all small just for video purposes. If you need the apps to be bigger, then just go large. If you need them to be smaller, then you can go small. You know what I'm saying? Pause. But yeah, so you just add, I'm gonna add about 5 small widgets. And then after you add the small widgets, you just click on the widgets. And then you can rename it, but I'm not gonna rename it because it's kind of pointless. And then you click on the inside of it, like where the date is, and then you scroll all the way down. And then you go to Photo in Album, and then you go to Select the Album, and you look for the album that you made. Now, one thing before I go further, right? I see a lot of people commenting on people's videos that they can't find the albums that they created, and I figured out a fix. I think I'm the only person. I'm gonna drop a separate video on it, but I'm gonna drop it for y'all real quick. If you can't see the album that you made, because when you downloaded the app, you may made a mistake, you go to Settings, and then you go to Manage Permissions, and then you scroll down to Photos, and then mine was limited. So you have to make sure everything, like your photo assets, you gotta make sure it says all photos. Otherwise, your albums are not gonna show up. And when they don't show up, that's when it gets super, super complicated, because then you're gonna have to add each picture in individually. So then you just go back, and we're gonna go back to the tutorial. But if you follow that step, I promise you, every album is gonna basically fall through. So now you go back, you go to photo in album, choose the photo that you want, select the album, and then you scroll down, find the albums. I'm on the blue screen, so I'm gonna go for the blue anti-picture, of course. Then you go back and then you click save. All right, that's one of your widgets. You just literally have to remember what widget it is. So for the blue, which is my first screen or whatever, then you just do it and you just name it. So for this one, since I don't want to get confused, I'm gonna name it green. And then I'm gonna choose the green picture, which is the green album, so you know. So then you go and you look for green Travis, and then you select, you go back and you click save. And then for this one, you go back and then you're gonna name it red, and it's gonna be red. Then you choose the red Cardi picture. This literally is all you do. It's so simple. So you go to red Cardi, go back, save. Then you go to, then you name this one black, of course. You gotta go black Juice WRLD, black Juice. And then you look for this, you look for the picture. You go to select it, you go to recent, no, you scroll down, go to black Juice. I don't know what I'm doing, I'm tweaking y'all. And then click save. So then I did multiples. I'm not gonna do all of it because I'm trying to save y'all a little time. You feel me? So now that you're here, you literally go to, you hold your home screen, and then you're gonna get this plus minus in the top screen. Then you click add. Then when you click add, literally all you do is go to Widgetsmith, and then you look for your widgets. You go to small, add, right? And you click done. And then when you edit, you look for the one that you had. So this was my blue screen. So my blue screen was the first one, and you click save. So then you go back and it should load. Yeah, it takes some time. Like sometimes you gotta play with it, but it takes some time. That's the only thing I hate about the Widgetsmith, is it takes so long to load your pictures. It takes so long to load the pictures. So then you keep adding your widgets. I'm gonna add a small, and then now you look for your widgets. You keep looking for it. It's black Juice. You select, and then it's gonna add it. And then you literally keep doing this for each one. So then you go to green, hold the home screen, press the plus button. You go to Widgetsmith. Then when you go to Widgetsmith, small, add widget, then you edit it, and then you look for, this is my green screen, so then you click green, and then boom, it's gonna keep adding your green pictures. And then you add the small, medium, or large for each picture that you made. You just make the widget and keep adding the pictures. But I'm gonna add them all just to show y'all quick and easy. Small, add widget. Then you look for your yellow. I don't remember which one was my yellow. We're gonna wing it though. You feel me? Hopefully this was my yellow. This wasn't my yellow. So I'm gonna remove, and then I gotta go look for it. So if you get confused, just go look for it. Where's my Widgetsmith? This is my blue. So then this one, we're gonna add a yellow real quick. Just so for y'all to remember. Yellow. And then we go photo in album. Then we go to select album. And then the album should be yellow yachty, but it's a yellow tap by because my spell check wasn't messed with it, so I click save. So now you go to your yellow screen, you go to add, and Widgetsmith. We're gonna go, since this one is super, like I have like one row of apps, I'm gonna go large just cause. And as you can see, it took some of the screen away, which is what I wanted. And then you click the widget, you hold it, edit widget, and then choose which one that you wanted. This is literally what I mean by it takes forever. This is literally what I mean. Default, do it again. Sometimes you have to double up. The app is like super crazy with this new thing. So then you go to large, select the picture, same as always, photo and album. And then you go to select the album. look for your picture. Then you go back, save. Simple as that. Then you go to edit widget, large one, choose it, and then the picture should be there. It's super complicated, but I promise you, once you do it multiple times, then you can keep playing with your screen. And then I'll do the red one just to ensure that y'all understand. So I'm gonna go super slow for this one. You literally go Widgetsmith, small widget, add widget, right? So now that you added the widget, now what you do is you go back to Widgetsmith, then you added a small widget, so now you edit, go to the photo. This is my red one, so we choose the red photo. Photo and album, select album. Then you choose red Playboy Cardi, boom, and it's small number 6. I swear, it gets so repetitive, like I'm pretty sure y'all are tired of hearing me say this, but this is literally all it is. So then you got this empty widget on your screen, edit widget, then you look for red, there you go. And it's the red picture. That's literally all y'all do. So now y'all see my screen, it's full, all of my pictures, you know what I'm saying? Red, yellow, green, black, blue. And then if you got an empty home screen for moving your apps around, you can fill it. You can fill it in with like random pictures. Like I'll do it. I'll add a large widget. You know what I'm saying? Then I'll edit one really quick. You can just play around with it. You know what I'm saying? Just keep doing it. Then I'm just gonna edit one real quick for y'all. And then I'm gonna choose the album. I'm gonna choose the Hype Beast with the shoes. Home screen, back, save. And then you just edit, literally, that's all y'all do. And then you go here. I feel like I'm saying the same thing over and over. This is trash. All right, so now you see I got the custom home screen. It's crazy, like, got the shoes, Antisocial Club, Juice WRLD, Travis Scott, Yachty, and Cardi on the end page. And that's literally all y'all do, y'all. I can't stress it enough, it's super easy. Y'all get on it now before Apple take it away. You know, they've been taking everything away. But man, if y'all been with the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And definitely leave a like for your boy, because that was super hard. But I'm out, man.